Hi, welcome back to Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Aldi Kamado. It's back out for sale end of this week on Sunday. So I thought I'd do a review of all the features it's got, talk about sizing, what it's capable of, and then you can make your decision as to whether you want to buy one yourself. So with these, versatility is the name of the game. You can do low and slow cooking, where your whole basket of charcoal can last up to 12 hours, and you can do the complete opposite of that and cook pizzas on there at 350-400 degrees C, and everything in the middle, from your standard grilling your burgers to using it as an oven. So as standard, you get your Commando itself, and this is a removable fire basket. However, I do believe that the ones this year it's all going to be integrated, but I'm not 100% sure on that. In there, this is what holds your deflector plate and your grill grate. So your deflector plate sits in here, and then your grill grates sit directly on top of that, and that's what holds it all in. If you wanted to cook without your deflector plate, just leave that out, and then you can cook directly. So size wise, the width of the entire frame is 50.5 centimeters or 20 inches, and then your actual grilling area is 40 centimeters or 16 inches, and the ceramic thickness is 1.5 inches, just under 3.5 centimeters. So these are a really versatile piece of kit, capable of low and slow and then super high heats, as we discussed at the beginning. The heat retention in them is unbelievable. I mean, even after you've shut all your vents off, 2.5-3 hours later, it's still sitting at 100 C. It just holds on to its heat unbelievably. The lid seals onto the main body really well. I've not had any leaking of any smoke or anything through there, so you know that you're going to have a really good heat retention that way. And I'm massively impressed with the amount of charcoal that it doesn't use. So I fill my firebox right up, and then set your vents for low and slow, and it hardly uses anything. Even when you crank the heat right up, it's still surprising how little amount of charcoal that it does use. So the only downfall that I've found, that could well be the same as your bigger brand ones, is that when you clear your dust out, it all sits in the groove, which is where your vents close. Then when you close it up, it all falls out like so. So you pull all your dust out of here, and then it sits in this groove. So the downside is after sales pieces for other Commandos, they don't fit this particular model. So your divide and conquer that you get in a Commando Joe, that doesn't fit. However, there is a guy on Facebook called Gavin who has made steel plates. So it's got a steel deflector plate that fits the same size as the ceramic one that I showed you at the beginning. He's got one of them. He also does a pizza steel and a half moon, which fits in there, just about balances in. So there are after sale kits available. There's also a group on Facebook, the Budget Owners group, and it's great for people that have already bought these. So if you are considering getting one and you're still second guessing it after this video, get onto the group on Facebook, ask the guys on there. There's people who have had them much longer than I have, and they're massively impressed. So that's said about the accessories. What you've got to remember is that this is a £350 bit of kit. So your Commando Joes and your big green eggs, they're over double that amount of money. So yes, there are a few accessories that aren't currently available, but I know that there are people out there working on how to get these to fit into these cookers. But the price point of £350 for a ceramic egg is unbelievable, and it is an unbelievable piece of kit. So here's normally where I'd end up doing something like a taste test while I say goodbye to you all, but it's not the case today. So I hope I've given you all the information that you need to make an informed decision. If you do have any more questions, then feel free to put them in the comments below. Tap me up on Facebook, whatever you need. If I've got the answer, I'll give it to you. If I haven't got the answer, I'll try and find it out. If you are new here, then please do make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm putting new content out as much as I possibly can. So whether that's on the Commando itself, or I've got a Weber, got a flat top grill, all sorts of different things going out. So please do make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you receive notifications on all the content that come out. Thank you very much for watching.